here live today, January the 16th. I am your host, the Odd Father. The Odd Father. We are currently in the London session. Um, we are currently in the London sesh. All right. Let's check out some news, then. All right. Let's check out the news. JPY has some news at 1 a.m. It's currently 3:37. Next news drop will be for GBP, JPY. That's gonna be it. Day one. I don't know what the fuck that means. It's a bank holiday, U.S. pairs. So, oh shit, I probably don't need to be in this pair that I'm in, this trade I'm in. Right now, I just opened up a sell position. Well, not right now, but recently I opened up a sell position in AUD USD. We're working with small numbers today, okay? We're working with small numbers today on this account right here. This is just to give you guys a understanding of what's going on. I probably need to go put a shirt on or something like that. Look a little bit more like I came to work because this is job for me. This is work for me, right? Let me go do that. Let me go do that right quick. Oh my shit. Since we doing it, right? I had a conversation with my dog yesterday, and it's such a good conversation, right? It was, you know what I'm saying, on the premise of, bruh, why do things if you're not about to do them? Like everything that we do is an option, right? Every blood clot thing that we are do is an option, right? And if that's the truth, and if that's the truth, which it is, if we understand that to be, if we agree that that is the truth, right? Ready? If we agree that that is the truth, if we agree that that is the truth, um, if we agree that that's the truth, that we choose everything that we do is what we choose to do. We're really not forced to do anything. So if you're choosing to do anything, one, why are you not going dumb hard at it? Right? Why is this thing that you're doing not? Why have you decided to not go as hard as possible with it? Hence the reason why I'm pulling out all of my tricks and all of my tools and all of my things that I know. I got too much shit in between my ears to not to not be giving y'all the game, to not be giving y'all some juice, jewels, all of that. You know what I'm saying? To not be giving y'all all of that. So what we gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna give you what you've been looking for. that you didn't even know that you've been looking for. If you ain't been looking for, or whatever the case may be, I'm gonna get it to you. So I guess I need to get this. I need to get this together right here. Eat bum, eat bum bum, eat bum bao, velo velo velo. I guess I can keep it over here for right now. I don't know where else to put the bitch. Put it at. And I wonder if it look green. I'm gonna check out my I'm gonna see what I'm looking like. Yeah. Let's see what I'm looking like. This is my tax return. I started using real estate to lower my taxes and got $96,000 in savings. I helped another W 2 employee do the same thing, and they saved about 360. This is my tax return. I started using real estate to lower my taxes and got $96,000 in savings. I helped another W 2 employee do the same thing, and they saved about 360. Bum bum, eat bum bum, eat bum bum. So right now, what I'm looking at is so I'm in this AU pair, right, and I'm also in this GJ pair. Um, this is pretty great. I'm really rocking with these pairs right here. For a couple of different reasons. Um, yeah, for a couple of different reasons. You know what I mean? But y'all can see how these things play out. It's a beautiful morning. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Let me see. I got screens over here now. I got real life screens over here now, right? Eat bum, eat bum bum, eat bum bum. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Let's get this together. We gonna cut on that. You did me. We gonna cut on it. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that looks special. Green mean business. Green bean mean business. This shit here fucking nigga head up. Yeah, we gonna get this shit together, boy. I'm trying to tell you. This shit right here is what's coming together. Well, that's it. shit together last night, but fucking nigga, I'm here. Fucking nigga, I am. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a solid one right here. Watch, look at this. Look now, look at this. Now I would imagine my shit is beating. I would imagine my shit is beating right now. And it's not even my birthday. But she wanna let the icing off. Mmm. Let me see what this shit look like. It's not even my birthday. And she wanna let the ice so look green in here? That's wild. That's crazy. Let me see if I could. This is a good kind of crazy though. I'm fucking with this type of crazy. Battery full. We finna get the jumping in that bed. What? Fuck y'all thought. This is a good. We ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. It's still early in the morning. I really be on my I really be on my smooth, calm, cool, collected shit when I'm in the morning. You know what I'm saying? My wordless music. Music with no word though. Baby girl, come and have rich sex. Mmm. Oh, you know what? This is what my other laptop screen is for. Baby girl, come and have rich sex. Um, that's crazy. It's not crazy. It's cool. Um, so maybe what you don't know, I'm pretty sure you guys don't know this. Yeah, I have to excuse the first video. Mm, See, I'm looking at this GJ pair right here, right? Like it's been making these higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame, right? It did see it is on a serious pullback or a it's doing like a price correction if anything at this point. But like I said, so the way I have it, see, you know what I'm saying, the way that I have it, it's like, I drew a little tiny fib right here. So I'm looking at it to come up to here. It's looking like it's gonna respect that. But I want to place a trade. Not even I want to. What I want to do is place this trade. All right. Baby girl, come and have rich six. And I almost feel like closing out of my AUD USD trade because I secured some good pippage, right? A good 20, a good 20 piece. That ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Shake a stick at. Even though we do got some room to come down. Even though we do have some room to come down. That that ain't nothing to shake a stick at either, though. You know what I'm saying? So, um, but I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Um, I'm changing the name of my IG channel, my YouTube channel to make it more user friendly. Um, Wise. I'm gonna just go with my business name, Wise Profits, Profit Wise. Wise Profits, Profit Wise. How do we feel about that? You know, because there's gonna be more on here on my channel than just this is gonna be the channel. Joshua, Joshua's Wise. Oh, Jordan Wise, because of Wise Profits. So my name is Joshua Wise. Do I like Joshua Wise? Joshua's my first name. Probably won't hear me say it too many more times. Look, I'm trying to do. I'm right now. I'm determining my internet presence. Okay, you guys. This is one of the first videos that I'm actually. You know what I'm saying, sticking with this and being this I'm being consistent now moving forward. I'm being consistent with this. I'm going hard for you guys. Um, because I have a goal. I have several goals. I would love to like my goal this year is to teach 1,000 people. Is to help 1,000 people make $1,000. That's not a and that's pretty big. You know what I mean? Um, that's pretty large. 1,000 people make $1,000 in this year. Help 1,000 people make $1,000. Like $1,000 that you would not have made without me. I mean, you probably would have, but like without my assistance, you wouldn't have made it as easily. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, that's my goal. I know my shit ain't that blurry now. I know my camera ain't. I'm about to say I know my camera ain't that blurry, cause baby girl, come on, have resets. But no, Jordan Wise Prophets, Jordan Wise, Wise Prophet. Ooh, Wise Prophet. Ooh, ooh. What you're gonna see is that's exactly what I am. I am a wise person, and I am prophetess. I am prophetess when I speak. Prophetess is not even the word. What's the word I'm looking for? Wise prophet. I'm the prophet. Well, prophet wise. Wise prophet. Wise prophets. Prophet wise. Prophet wise. I'm prophet wise. Wise prophet. The wise prophet. The wise prophet. Are y'all fucking with that name? Wise prophet. I need to go get my glasses with a name like that. Let me go get my spectacles. You know what I mean? Now, really, later on, I'm gonna figure out how to increase my redo my logo and see. But yeah, so let's go back and break this down one more time. I didn't break it down, but let's add to it with what we can. I'm looking for a tool, my brush tool. There it is. Because since the time of the since the time we've been up, I'm saying he's been making some higher highs and higher lows. All right. Oh damn, we're supposed to have had respected this right here. Should have respected that. Let's go to our profits to see what we're looking like. All right, so our profits have definitely decreased, but it is okay. Why is it okay? Because we know what's going on. We know the direction of the flow. We have positive not necessarily control of the market, but we know what the fuck going on. And this is where I got in at in this area over here. So that's why for me, like, all right, don't quit, don't start bullshitting when I hop in the trade. You know what I mean? Don't start bullshit when I hop in the trade, right? Because we're just taking, you know what I'm saying, fundamentally sound trades from my perspective, right? From my perspective, that's what's going on. Because I drew a little fib right here. Um, I drew some fibs from right here to this point right here. Felt comfortable, well, and I didn't do that on the 30. I really did it on the I want to say maybe the did I do that on the hour, on the 4 hour? Maybe did that on the 1 hour. So um 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 um. So we're looking for this to go to this negative 27 area right here, which kind of coincides with what's going on in this. I'm saying with this last drop right here. So we're just gonna hold that in place right there. Like I said, we're working with small numbers right here. So being accurate is paramount. Being accurate is paramount. Um, being accurate is paramount. Like I wanna throw a second position in on this one right here, but I already got a second position. I already got a position open in GJ, and I'm not deep in profit as of yet. So I really feel like I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off on that right here. I really feel like, if anything, I almost feel like we're gonna fix this screen, yo. I don't like how that look. right now. So I'm just gonna leave shit where it's at. I'm not gonna. 'Cause a lot of times what I used to do, what I not what I used to do, what I used to have problems with, and what a lot of times what you may be having problems with, the things that I had to traverse through was was fighting the need to open up positions too early, right? Fighting the need to open up positions too early. This is critical because you know what I mean. Once you get and that may be something small for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It was something big for me because I was always looking to maximize, capitalize, and you know what I'm saying, go hard, go above, and this, that, and the third, and you know what I mean. And that can be a good thing. However, it also is a however, it can also be seen as being greedy if you know yourself. You know what I'm saying, and I knew myself. You know what I'm saying, oh, I was learning myself, my trading self, and it indeed was me being it indeed was me being yeah, it indeed was me being greedy. I can definitely say that. I can definitely say it was me being greedy because there's no need to open up positions super fast and super early if you're you know what I mean, and in different pairs and things like that. There's no need to do that. Um, you remember unless you're someone, adjusting this heat on my foot. I need that bitch to touch me, hit me. This is my office too. You know what I mean? This is the office. Please. It's gonna come together in a minute, man. We're gonna get shit on the wall. It's gonna be so good. This is because this is the trading lab. This is the laboratory where the trades do come to life. Um, trades do come to life. You know what I mean? So with this AUD USD pair, with this GJ rising like how it is, free. And like I said, I'm not going to open up another trade. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just be patient, let this shit play out. Like because when you're looking at the grand scheme of things, right? You know what I mean? I could me closing out wouldn't be a bad thing, um, because my account size is $3.43. All right, when you're trading, this is a rich people's sport. So when you're trading, you need to be more aware of your percentages. Okay, 3.43 plus 50% is $1.75. Excuse me, $1.71. That's 50% of my account size. If I was to close out, I'm saying when it hit $2 or something like how we just did a couple minutes ago, that would be two. That would be 50% over my account size, and that's a win. That's a win for several different reasons. Even this one, even this one 343 plus 40% is 137. 40% of my account size. So let's say if this was a $10,000 account, right? Plus 40%, I'll be up 4 grand right now. You know what I mean? So there's reasons so you have to understand the percentages. And that was one of the biggest things that I had to realize when playing this rich man sport. It's like, bro, you got to understand these percentages. Like your percentages is what really matters. Percentages at the end of the day is what really matters. Um, because just yeah, percentage is the only thing that really matters. It's not what really matters is what you're looking at. Is how you're saying is how you should be interacting. I'm saying understanding your chart, the flow of your chart. Like I said, this GJ could play around all they want to, but we know what fuck going on. And this is still the New York session, the London session. New York session is going to open in a few hours, right? And New York's going to open up in a few hours. And foundation. Foundation of wealth is the investing. So I'm looking at coming out with this. I'm looking at creating this social club called the Foundation, where traders of all forms and all types get together and commune, be in communion with each other. Uh, because I know, you know, what I'm saying even now, when I know when I first started my trading journey, or just and even now, I found it difficult to find people of similar mindsets. Maybe I was looking in the wrong places. Maybe I wasn't looking as hard as I could. However, um, this space that I want to create, it'll be specifically for financial market investors, stock market, bond futures, foreign exchange, options traders, you know what I'm saying, currency traders. Yeah. What's the shit called? Ninja Trader 7 or something, Ninja Trader 8. The motherfuckers who trade the other shit. Yeah, all of that. This would be a community, a place for the foundation would be a center for traders. It would be a club for traders. So it's like almost like wanted to host you wanted a place to host training education and trainings and things like that for your crowd. You know, you know, in these key cities, you could rent out the space there, have your gathering come there, have your following come there, do a virtual session and a physical session, and the space will be set up for you. The space will be provided, curated for artists, excuse me, for educators like ourselves. Um, and this is obviously this would be an alternative to your own trading lab and things like that. If you wanted to get a little bit more public with it, if you wanted to have a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, intimate relationship with an intimate setting with your followers, this is what that would be used for. Okay, this is what that would be used for. Oh no, I ain't like that, buddy. Why are you in the red? Okay, you know what? My margin is low. Now this shit got me wanting to possibly hop out of this GJ trade because I already knew that it was doing a little too much and yada 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 and yeah, because look at this 30-minute candle right here is closing and what I would have loved to have been a part of and been present to see was this motherfucker raise the fuck up from this one right here, not it do the shit that it's doing right now, but it's all right. It is all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Let's see. So what I did, I just closed up my GJ trade, my AU trade to gain a little bit of profit in my account. Um, because the margins were so low, and I am building a small account, right? And that's probably what I should have did earlier when they hit those 20 pips. Should have just took those 20 pips because I understand the type of trading that has to be done with AU. AU is a pair that moves, I'm saying, relatively small pippage. Um, so whenever you do get some movement, it's great. It's a good time to capitalize on that motion that was created by AU. GJ is a pair that it can run somewhere. It can move something. It can move a little something, right? We got 30 minutes left in this 1 hour. Before the 1 hour counter closes and before the 4 hour counter closes as well. I said I would love to see this. You know what I'm saying, I know it's gonna happen, so I'm not really you know too perturbed. Yeah, so we're just playing a waiting game and just you know what I'm saying, letting things play out. Hey, you might not be ready for me to come back in, and that's all right. We secured a little bit of profit for that motherfucker for the small account. So another one of the things that I'm going to be doing. Oh, so one of my main missions here is to teach you how to make something out of nothing. Okay, this will be the equivalent of nothing. $4.16, $3.90 equity, 389 equity. You know what I'm saying? This is the equivalent of nothing. I want to turn this nothing into something. That nothing into something. So that's what we're that's my whole premise for having for like that was like one of the things that I needed to master before I began teaching you guys. Before I felt comfortable and confident enough to show you guys the ropes. Because you need to understand that this is the foundation. Investing is the foundation of wealth building, of 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 life change, of potential. I can say the foundation of life change, but it's definitely the foundation of wealth building, of having a rich mindset. It's paramount to have. It's paramount to be versed in these things. It is. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is paramount to be versed in these things. And I'm gonna say this term right here. You gotta risk it if you want the biscuit. Okay. You got to risk it if you want the biscuit. This is what I was at right here just now. This is my entry was right here. Went to a long position candling right here. Would I have let it got down to this part right here, to this part and draw down? Probably would not have, to be honest. If we be on 100. Like I said, I'm gonna throw this up to like right about here. That's cool. 80 good 80 pip situation. If it, you know what I mean? Once the motherfucker plays out like that. Once the motherfucker plays out like that. Once the motherfucker plays out like that. The motherfucker plays out like that. Once the motherfucker plays out like that. Yeah, once it plays out like that, once the motherfucker plays out like that, once it plays out like that. um, I'm confident in these trades right now because I've been mapping them out. I ain't been stalking the charts, but I have been mapping these motherfuckers out. I have been, you know what I'm saying, in tune with what's going on with my price action, where we're at right now. This is close to a quarter point. Um, 500 was probably the closest quarter point, and that's where it's at right here. The last 15 candle dropped to this quarter point right here before it decided to, you know what I'm saying, shoot up to this next quarter point. Shoot past to the next to 750 was the next quarter point after this. You see what happened to it? Demolished it. Then move to the next one. So move. So was this a 50 pip move? I think this was like a 50 pip move. It went from one quarter point to up to here. This is a cool 50 pip move, and which is great. Let's go see what my shit's doing. Cause you know what I mean, this is still going up. I would love to, like I said, see this come down. You know what I'm saying? Rapido. And I would love to see this go up rapido as well. But if it doesn't go up rapido, I know I know that it's going up either way. It's going to the upper. Jesus. Look at that. AU's in GJ's in profit. AU's trying to come out of the get sticking his head above water. I need to go down, Bucko. Need this GJ to go down, Bucko. Where did I put my trade in? It's like this can't keep going up too much further. I can't. I'm gonna have to cut this, or either I'm gonna have to because I almost feel like I'm being a little bit too aggressive right now this morning. With these trades. Because this is it's aggressively pushing up. Well, not aggressively pushing up. I just feel like I'm being a little bit too aggressive with these trades right now, maybe. Um, so which one would I feel comfortable getting out of? Um, which one would I feel comfortable pulling out of? Y'all don't mind these commercials, man. Oh damn, one of the bitches had them bust. Which one was it? AU had them bust on me, man. That's that bullshit. Like it's okay. Like I said, maybe you know, like I said, I knew I was probably being a tad bit aggressive in these trades, so I probably should hop out of this one too. Or maybe I could just see, cause it's down to $2.80 right now, man, and it's like fuck. So hopefully this is an attempt right here. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we get back on track with this right here. I barely got any margin left, bro. I got barely have any margin, and these aren't always the best parameters you want to trade in either. You know what I mean? But when you are taking something, when you're making something out of nothing, like I said, you gotta risk it if you want the biscuit. You know what I mean? So take that into account. You know what I'm saying? Um, that's what's going on. I'm risking it because I want this biscuit. I ain't gonna lie, I can't believe that you just did that. Flexed up on me like that though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really about ready to hop out this GJ trade too, because like I said, I'm playing with little capital right now, and and in doing that, like I said, I'm my trading has to be quite accurate if I want to be. You know what I'm saying, I really want to be fruitful with this right here. And like I said, I'm this motherfucker is not what I'm not gonna let it do. What I ain't gonna let it do is go down to motherfucking let's go down here. That's gonna take all my little dollars. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out of this trade right here. It swings pretty. It's you know it swings, man. You know this shit be swinging in the treetop, rocking in the treetop all day long, huffing and puffing and singing that song, nigga. And if this trade right here goes left, I'm I'm I'm, I'm gonna be done until the New York session. I'm gonna be done. I'm probably gonna be done for the day, so I can just get my mind together. But nah, I'm gonna be done for the New York until the New York session because we ain't going out like this. We ended the day in the blues. We ending the day in the blues today. That's what's going on. And what should have gave me away is not to take this position right here is that how close it was to this indecision right up here. This is too close to the indecision to take this trade down here. I should have took it more I would have felt more comfortable taking it down here in this in the indecision to the bottom side to the downside. Um, I'm looking for it to come up this way. But like I said, it's not a bad trade at all. Um, it might not be the best situation, the best circumstances, the best shit that I'm trading in because my account is so small. But it's not a bad trade at all. It's not a bad trade at all. So this is where my patience is gonna have to kick in and just stay in because um yeah. And I should have got. Once I seen this, my black ass probably could have gotten out. Once I seen that this didn't just push up like how I was hoping that it would or thought that it would, I probably could have got out up here because I knew that it was going to continue to drop down a little bit. Well, I didn't know, but it was a good chance, good probability that it was going to drop a little bit further. Um, just like this right here. This is going to push up just a little bit further before it decides to push back, to continue pushing down. You know what I mean? just might not be ready at the same time too. Though, so if it's not ready, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna press it. And I said what I said I wasn't gonna do when I did it anyway. So now, yeah, I'm gonna say no. This is has got to. See, and there it is, man. I was finna come do it my damn self. Now, now look at the position I'm in. I got one fucking trade left. I got one fucking trade left. One trade left, guys. This GJ's a bitch sometimes, man. All right, so let's see. What time is it? London session, New York session opens up at what? 6? At 8? Oh, and it's a New York. It's a holiday it's an NY holiday. So I mean, it's a USD holiday in America today. I'm saying bank holiday, so it ain't no trading for real. Actually, really shouldn't be no trading for real at all. So like I said, this is when you got to exercise patience. I might just be done right now until the New York session. Because I don't need to be greedy. I don't need to be overzealous. I want to. These are wise prophets. I'm a wise prophet. I'm a wise trader. So I know that this we're still in the New York session right now. I know this setup looks pretty darn delicious to take, but I have to be. You know what I'm saying, where my status right now. My trading status. Look at this. It's good, whatever.
You have to fill the bucket, pushing the wet, heavy mop around, then cleaning the mop when you're done so it doesn't grow bacteria. A hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer Wet Jet. With Swiffer Wet Jet, you start with a fresh pad and cleaning solution every time. And when you're done, you just toss the pad. Swiffer Wet Jet. The faster, easier, cleaner way to clean your floors.
Last trade right here, baby. And they got to upload another couple of dollars. So what I've been doing is I just been uploading like uh $10 at a time, just so I can because a lot of people don't have extra, don't be having a lot of extra bread to spare for real. So it's like I want to show you guys that take something out of nothing. Let's make something out of nothing. And that's the beauty of this day trading shit, this foreign exchange trading thing. You can really do that many times. Do the one time, then just live like that. Um, but having that solid pair and like GJ is great. You know what I mean? GJ is a great pair to trade. That motherfucker do swing like you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? That nigga that be swinging for the fences. So that the bit became like I ain't even pay attention to it, but he then came back and retested the quarter point right here. Retested the quarter point. Now it's gonna shoot up. You know what I'm saying? And handle handle this business again. Hey, but I fucks with it though. I fucks with yeah. I fucks with GJ. I do fucks with GJ. EU Ethereum. Ethereum jumping like Jordan. Man, I can't hold you. Ethereum is jumping like Jordan. Um, Shabuya, Shabuya, roll call. So Oh, suck it, now. Go on, turn your ass around. Go ahead and turn your ass around. I mean, if this, like I said, I might even hop out of this trade. I'm not gonna hold you. And wait to actually wait to the New York session. Say little penties. Man, why you acting like that? I don't care about that. You got that from your daddy, boy. Okay? I don't care about that. You can't even bite me to hurt me.
Searching for your next set of wheels? Get pre-qualified at CarMax and see the personalized monthly payment for any of our cars with no impact to your credit score. Because CarMax has made it as easy as a Sunday drive to get your financing options with the shopping experience tailored to you, so you can get the car that's right for you and right for your budget. Get started at CarMax.com and compare your options in just a few easy clicks. See CarMax.com for details. CarMax. That's car buying.
I need to read something. You want to read in the morning times. Book I'm reading called Up in Slavery. It's my book or two watched it. Pretty fucking great, actually.
Before I get Cascade Platinum Plus, I would pre-rinse all my dishes because my old detergent just wouldn't get them clean. But now I do dishes differently. And no pre-wash, no rewash, money back guarantee kind of different. Because Cascade Platinum Plus has double the grease-fighting power.
Yo,
With twice the scrubbing power, giving me a clean that lets me
um,
remove all the
yeah, I see how this is playing out right about now.
and I'm done. Yep.
It's about to go in our favor. Everything gonna be great. I'm gonna check in with you guys later on. See how y'all living. See what y'all done took. Y'all took change. Let me know. I'll let you know. But, peace.